we're gonna be unboxing my Samsung Crystal UHD 8 series to8000 smart TV powered by Tizen. It's a 43-inch. Yeah, I'm so excited about it. It has a crystal display, experience optimized color that will stay crisp and vivid, and it's a crystal processor. It has a 4K. Feel every shade of color as intended in powerful 4K. Boundless design. See the picture, not the TV. HDR. See the stunning detail in every scene. 4K Ultra HD connected, complies with the CT certification requirements, works with Apple AirPlay. Apple and related trademarks and logos are trademarks of Apple and C. This Samsung TV supports AirPlay 2 and requires iOS 12.3 or later, or Mac OS 10.14.5 or later. HDMI high definition multimedia interface, one cable for both audio and video. HDMI cable is sold separately. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna call a mounting guy to mount this for me, and pray for me, guys. I'm so excited.
Like and subscribe.
Hi guys, so my TV is being delivered today. Can you guess what TV I went with? Okay, basically today is Tuesday, by the way, and it took, like, I bought it and it took 7 days for them to deliver. Of course, I went and shopped with Carrefour because the service is awesome, and free delivery, of course. Who doesn't want a free delivery? And actually Carrefour had like 20% discount off on all big appliances, big electronic appliances. But guess who was on cramps? Me. I had so bad cramps that I didn't have the energy to go and shop during the 20% off, and I lost a discount sales just like that. But it's okay, I got a discount on my bed and my chair. You lose some, you win some. But I'm so happy I went there wanting QLED or OLED, you know, because those are the new big machines, and they also had percentage off on those machines, guys. But it is what it is. I didn't get it, and the QLED and the OLED wallet are not there yet, and basically I'm just watching YouTube and Netflix on the TV, so it's okay, no worries. And I bought a 43-inch Samsung. I'm gonna put all the specification down here because I'm not a tech guy. I'm not a technician guy or something, so I didn't end up buying the OLED or the QLED, and I just chose Samsung because it was within my budget, guys. And yeah, I'll give all the specification here for price and detail because the prices keep on changing. If I give you the price quotation, it will be just off. So if I give you the details and the specification in case you're interested on the TV that I have, that I chose, you already know where to get it and where I got it. So the details of the specifications is what that matters. The price you check on the store because they usually have a discount, because I got a promotion still. I bought it on a promotion, on the Carrefour promotion, but they had an Easter deal, so that is why you need to get the Carrefour app. I was notified for the 20% off for the Carrefour app, but I didn't have. I was sick. I was so sick. You guys, if you have ever have cramp before, you know how it makes you feel. I had no energy all the weekend, but it's okay. So the guys have called me and they're gonna be here any minute. Of course, I'm gonna vlog them gangster style. Yeah, so you'll see it, and finally I'll have it at home. The reason why it took long because they usually have the next day or 3 days delivery, but at most max is 1 week. So it took longer for me because so many people have money. So many people, like, the store was completely empty. There were no Sony. I wanted the Sony, but it was completely out of stock, so I ended up with the Samsung. But I still love it because it's Crystal HD 4KD. It's the 8 series. I'm gonna leave all the specification here even. And yeah, if you want to work with me, if you're a brand and you're watching this video and you want to work with me, please, my email address, contact me there. Anyway, let me watch this. I'm so excited. As always, I'm gonna leave the details of the TV I bought at Carrefour, the one at Two Rivers, because I wanted to go to Two Rivers to see, like, I just had a feeling like Two Rivers will have a new stock, and all the things were gone. They were gone. I wanted the LG, between the LG and the Samsung, but I ended up with the one that was really good on my pocket, as I told you before. Okay, now let me stop rambling. The girls will be here in a minute, and as always, we're going to vlog gangster style, okay? The delivery is up to your home, so that's a really, you can go with it home if you want, but who's gonna leave a deal of free delivery? No, me. Okay, and then we're going to mount it. I'm thinking of mounting it. I wanted my chest drawer to be the like, to act like the TV stand, so that the TV stand will be mounted on the wall, and then the dresser will be down below, like that's, I like something like this. But my chester is too big. My bag is flamboyant. My bag is big, so it can't fit there. My bed is like a 5x6. This bed, hey, it is big, so we don't have there. So when they mount it, I'll let you know. Mounting is not them that offer. I'll source other sources. Okay, so okay, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and more content coming of living alone series. My first time living alone. I've been spending money left, right, but on good things. Okay, and saving is key, guys. That's what I'm gonna be saying. Okay, let me wait for the montage of them coming in.
But you have to see it.
You have to test.
You have to see the screen. Hizi nyumba zenu ni kubwa. Wewe huyu waingia akae hapa. Ndio test again.
Sawa.
Wewe nakuomba ukalie kiti. Nyumba ndogo sana. Weka chini. Sasa hebu lete timu. Sasa hawakoni rama hakuna. Nimekibu.
Hakuna, tumeona vitu hapa.
That's a mile moving from the naangalianga screen kama iko na breakage. Screen haina warranty.
Oh, screen.
Unfortunately.
Oh, for any TV.
Yeah.
Oh, true. I don't know. Unlike this screen, you can take it. I'm so excited. Hey, I'm not a technician of this, okay? I know nothing about this, so I got help choosing this TV from my boyfriend, my sisters. Like, I involved everyone, even the salesperson at the Carrefour. I involved like 2-3 of them for me to make a decision, because I don't know anything about electronic. I'm trying to make a thumbnail, so I'm waiting for the guy to install, and I'm thinking, what should I mount? I mount the Nintendo. I'll mount it with the tilt one, so that when I'm cooking I can also watch Netflix. Okay, I'll tell you the details. So this is what comes in the box. The remote, of course, you have obviously unboxed it. It's really sleek and no-brainer. Samsung wants to minimize the environmental, to minimize things. And then different bolts, because the TV, they give you just options for different bolts for different TV, so they just keep everything here. The screws. Instructional guide, which I don't know if anyone ever reads this. There is all instructions, user manual. We'll come back to it. And this is a TV stand, in case you want to put it on a TV stand. The legs, So the legs are like this. I'll keep them because I never know if I would like to put them down, so I don't think there's need for me to unravel them. So if I want to, this is all there is. There's a Samsung manual, there's a warranty, 24-month warranty, which is very important, guys. You need to sign all the details. I'll hide mine there. You have to sign the model number and serial number. So, but it's not screen protected. You have to remember that it's not screen warranty. If you mess up your screen, God forbid. And then there's a Samsung setup. There's this for standing, the mounting, so putting it in the TV stand. This one also Samsung for remote. The remote is so slick. Let me show you the remote. Yo, this video is ending up to be long. The remote is so slick, so it shows you the remote details, safety precautions, Samsung soundbar system. I didn't buy that else. User manual, and what else? Connecting the adapter, and then this thing. You're connecting to the antenna adapter. This is the antenna adapter for Nini, because the mother connected data that makes the terminal may differ. And it's good if you do that. I haven't connected it yet. And yeah, so never lose your receipt. You need when you're mounting the TV. It's a fixed LED curved TV / curved TV wall mount. You need this wall mount, and I just choose fixed instead of tilted because it's cheaper. And then I just want to put myself in a situation where I just watch TV from the bed or on the sofa. I don't want to be tilting it too much because the thought of it that it's coming from the wall, I don't know why. And it's suitable for most 22 to that 43-inch screen. See, from Skilltech. The guy sells them. Robert sells them, and I've put Robert's contacts on the description box. And always use code Kemunto sent you. Okay? Yeah. Universal at high quality, Versa size, 300 meter, load capacity 45 kg, and I think my TV is 9 kg. Yes, fit most 22 to 43, distance to wall 28 meters, color black. That's how it's look, and I don't know, there's nothing else to talk about. Yeah, so enjoy when he fixed it. So he for details and price, please contact him. That's why I've put the number down below. Okay, yeah, just say Kemunto sent you. Guys, if you're interested for the same services, this is the card. I'll put the details down below, but in case you're watching from TV like me, the other corner you took from TV, your screenshot. Can you screenshot on? So guys, I'm getting my my TV fixed on the wall, and anaitwa Mwangi. He's called Mwangi, so if you need his number, it will be on the screen. So I decided to go with fixed, guys, because I'm scared of Nini go up and down clicking. I feel like the wall will break. Anaitwa Mwangi kweli?
Yes.
So na TV kubwa itasema mchezo na hanging kwa wall.
Kuna brackets za hiyo nini za kumount TV kubwa. Brackets ziumata na size ya TV pia. Kama hii unaona inashikilia 22 to 43 inches.
Hiyo ndo swali yangu ilikuwa pia. So you have to mount your TV at the height of eye level, sindio? Na 11 inches from the cable, sindio?
Yes. Yeah. So that you don't strain your neck while watching.
Yeah. That was my first question. No one knew. Hizi manyumba zinafaa kwanza kuweka hiyo wall yani pali ya kumwatch TV. Watadriliwa mpaka washangae.
Don't you differ, napata watu wengine wako na watoi.
So
hawataki TV kwa chini sana juu watoto. Safety ya watoi. So
mtu akuama tu anazitoa na anaweka ile filler, si ndio? Cement filler.
Ni filler tu. Na filler packet inakuanga I think tuka 150 ama 200. Ni filler mob, yezi isha. Utafeel tu. Unachanganya tu filler na maji. Inakaa kama matoke hivi alafu unafeel.
Hiyo ndio ilikuwa mayoni wari.
Time unahama.
Ukaribu walls za wenyewe. It's leveling so that it can be straight. Then kwa nao nitafanya aje? Natoa tu.
Hizi zenye zinaweza kupea stress ni hizi zenye ziko nyuma. Since he fixed inakaribishanga TV karibu na wall. But hii nimeweka spacers. So itakuwa space ndogo sana. Though you pay watu stress. The best one actually you kwa the tilt one. You rotate 15 degrees juu, 15 degrees chini. So kama uko na cables kama hapa, si stress. But kama ni HDMI na uko na port zingine, so hapo uko sorted. Vitu labda kama LAN cable, but I'm assuming TV ni smart so inaweza tumia wifi. Na RCA. Na lakini unless unatumia decoder,
situmii decoder. Decoder ndo hizo zinanipea stress.
Exactly.
Na hii cable ya TV, nilisahau kwa meter. Okay, sawa.
Alafu hiyo ni rail. Ukiona TV imekuja huku sana unaweza ileta hiyo kidogo.
Guys, I choose the fixed one because I was scared that if I tilt it, it will be loose. But it's not the case. And I didn't want it too high because I wanted it to be eye level so that I don't strain watching TV. So it's gonna hide the cables with a trunking. Sorry, nilikuwa kidogo. Yeah. The remote sign is different. Nini? Hakuna remote ingine. So things are getting simplified. So it's a double-sided. I'm hanging the art piece with a double-sided what? Tape, yeah.
Okay.
Inakuanga hai wapi? Hebu
Hii ni art piece tunaweza weka
juu. Sindo kai nisikuwa na video. Oh, Mwagi does also does like hangs artwork and what else?
floating shelves, wallpaper installation, and cable management.
Oh. Yeah. I'll put his number down on the screen and on the description box.
Wi-Fi yako ni gani?
Hiyo K-Tribe.
Password.
Ni hivyo tu. So I need to set up the Samsung account, so I need to sign up, and I'll sign up, and then we set up this thing and start watching YouTube videos on Netflix. So I'm setting it up, guys. So next, you have to register, by the way. Let me register for warranty. Introducing Big C. With Big C on a TV, you can now control TV and connected devices. Search for TV show, film and production, manage your TV and home appliances. Big this thing is, this remote, especially, you see it has a voice prompt, a voice command prompt. It is so sleek. Sleek. Hello, Bix, remember your voice. Create a voice ID so Bixie can recognize your voice. Change card. Hi, Bixie. Sign in to my account. Connecting to Samsung Cloud. Select your TV source. My TV is here. It is so crisp. I love it. Push up or down to adjust volume. It's ready to be used. Thank you. Talk about being self-absorbed. Okay, let me see. That's my channel, guys. Subscribe by the way if you haven't. So dream luxury bed is finally here. So that's my TV now. And enjoy the slideshow over here. I'll be putting here and here of me. Guys, first of all, Nairobi has watching my sisters on the channel. So guys, how do you feel? Oh, busy. So guys, that's my house for now. I am so happy with my purchases. God is good. Don't forget to keep up with my living alone series. This is the first time I've moved out from and start living on my own, and I'm so happy. So far I've come. It's all in God's name, God's glory, and I pray that like the happiness I feel, that it goes through with whoever is watching this video. I'm so happy, and I just want to tell you guys, through consistencies, through never giving up, through always praying, putting God first, your family, and being so mindful of others, and just praying. Praying is my biggest weapon in this world we are living through, and I'm so happy. And through anything, consistency, passion, you will get where you want to reach. I've gotten so many emails, comments, DMs of people being so happy for me and just being inspired by what I'm doing, and I'm so thankful. If I can inspire one soul, I'm so thankful for that. And I hope like you give this video a thumbs up. I have a living playlist here of living alone series of everything detail from my bed, because I know you'll be watching my you've seen, or if you've watched my sofa, or if you watch my TV, like you've seen it all. So everything, if it's the sofa, it's the TV, or the bed, I've gone through the process and I've named where I've bought it in case you're interested also to buy there. And yeah, if I love you so much guys, and I'm so happy that I am this happy. This has always been a dream, and more good things are coming. And yeah, don't forget to like my videos and like subscribe. After subscribing, turn the post notification bell on, and I hope you love it. Have not finished the decoration of this house yet. I just had to buy the big pieces first that will make it comfortable, and then the other little accessories, home decor, they are coming along. Like you can see, I've finally put the artwork up there. As you can see, let me show you. I've already put the artwork up there, but I need another one the same size like that one, because I only need 2 to put on that side. That's why I've pushed it like this, because I know I want to buy another artwork there. And plants, of course, they are in the process, and I'll take you along everything. So that's my house. That's like my mini tour. Not fully, but though it's still not full. Yeah, so we'll be doing that very soon. So, and then maybe put another artwork here. As I told you, this chest drawer getting rid of. I had to push the fridge from this side so that you can see the cuteness, but this is the behind the scene. So this fridge is gonna be going there. You will see. The only way to keep updated is for you to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and turn the notification bell on. I love that piece very much. Turn the notification bell on so that you can be notified each and every single time I post a video. So let me enjoy my TV. I'm so happy. Oh, and my sister has Mona has just uploaded a video also, so I'll be watching my videos on YouTube. I'll be watching them on my TV now. Being Mona.
New here, my name is Mona. So please consider subscribing if you haven't, and if you're new sub, thank you for subscribing to this channel. 900 subscribers.
Baby Ella in Africa also. Guys, my sisters are on YouTube also. Go follow them and subscribe to them. She just uploaded a spending Easter Maasai land. Wow. Ow.
Remember the day, no worry. Every time she would close my shoulder, I was here alone to save her. And never
Oh. I'm currently watching All Things African Nana, my sister. Oh. and she's vlogging with her new GoPro. It's so nice. That camera is very nice.